Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how to register for Emirates NBD Bank online banking. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get started. So first you open up Google, and there you will search for Emirates NBD. And then emiratesnbd.com is the official website for the bank. You will click on that link and you will be brought onto the official website. So when you do this, on the right you can see online banking option. So you'll click on online banking. So down here you can see register for online banking or mobile banking. You'll click there, and so you can either register through your account or credit card, or you can continue registration from a ATM or from call center or from the branch. So since we have account, I'm going to click on this option, and here you can either register with account, or if you don't only have a credit card, you can use that. So let's say you register with account, and after you click there, you will have to enter your 13-digit account number and your 16-digit debit card number, and you have to complete the CAPTCHA here. Select the umbrella, you select the umbrella, and then you do that. You will click on continue, and once you do that, you will be forwarded a authentication code via SMS to your registered mobile number, and then you will enter that code on this page. And after that, you will create your login details, which is your username and your password. And after filling on a few other personal details like date of birth and debit card PIN number, you will be then able to continue with internet banking. So it's very easy to do this. It's very easy, smooth process. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button if it helped you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.